everybody? I'm here today with a video on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. In this video, I will specifically be showing you how to stop a workout easily. It is an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The first thing that we're going to do is start our workout. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the cycling button. We are going to start the workout right here, okay? I'm going to allow location permission later on after this video. I didn't do it previously, but I'll turn it on after. So essentially, we started the workout. Now, there are two ways to end your workout, okay? I'm going to show you both ways because you can use whichever one is easiest for you. The first way is to swipe right, okay? And you have all these options over here. One of the options says finish. Tap the finish button, and as you can see, we finished the workout right there, okay? So that's the first option right there, okay? No problem. We'll deal with this later. Now, the second way, I'm going to start the workout once again. Like I said, I got to turn this on later so it doesn't notify me every single time. So we're starting the workout again. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use the other way to access that menu, which is the bottom button over here. So instead of the top button, this is your power and your home key. This button right here will bring up the menu that I'm talking about. So push this lower button on the right-hand side. It brings up that same menu. From that same menu, we just have to hit the button that says finish. And boom, we have finished the workout. We have stopped the workout. So whenever you start your workout, sometimes, you're doing a long workout, probably longer than 18 seconds, I would assume. So you're doing a long workout. And what happens is, you essentially, sometimes you might forget about that screen. You're dealing with your notifications on your watch and you completely forget about that workout screen and you want to end your workout, but you don't know how to do it. That's how you do it. You get back to your workout screen, and then I showed you two ways to stop the workout. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.